How to change background color in TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the format. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this chart option. Tap on it. Here, you cannot directly change the background color. You can change the color of the candles and other indicators, but there's no such option as changing the background color. But there's an option called changing the theme. So here on the right hand side, tap on this menu icon. Now here on the right top, tap on settings, and here you'll be able to see the option called theme. Tap on theme. Now you can select the theme to the lighter one. Tap on light and it's done. So if you go back, the whole interface has been changed. Now you can see the charts too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.